Hello, and welcome to my kitchen. Je suis le chef Antoine, and today we are going to learn the essential French names for the meats you love. Are you ready? Alors, mettons nos tabliers et commençons. Let's start with the star of French bistros, beef. In French, we say le bœuf. Le bœuf is a red meat, rich in flavor, and the foundation of many iconic dishes. Think of a very tender cut like the tenderloin. In French, that's le filet de bœuf. C'est le morceau le plus prisé, often served as tourne-dos or chateaubriand. A true delight. Then there's the ribeye steak, which we call au l'entrecôte. Perfect for the grill, and how could we forget the famous bœuf bourguignon? A stew slowly simmered in red wine with onions and mushrooms. C'est un plat qui réchauffe le cœur. Another classique is the pot-au-feu, a sort of beef broth with vegetables. C'est simple, rustique, et absolument délicieux. Now, let's move on to another very popular meat in France, pork. In French, we say le porc. Le porc is incredibly versatile, on peut tout utiliser, as we say. Take, for example, the pork tenderloin, or le filet mignon de porc. It's a very tender and lean cut, delicious simply roasted in the oven with herbe de Provence. There are also pork chops, à la côte de porc, perfect for quick pan frying. And of course, pork is the basis of our wonderful French charcuterie. You have ham, which is le jambon, and dry sausage, le saucisson. In Alsace, we love la choucroute garnie, a generous dish of fermented cabbage served with different kinds of sausages and pork meats. C'est un véritable festin. Let's continue with a more delicate but just as flavorful meat, lamb. In French, we say l'agneau. L'agneau is often associated with celebrations like Easter. The most famous cut is undoubtedly the leg of lamb, or le gigot d'agneau. Slowly roasted in the oven with garlic and rosemary, its aroma fills the entire house. C'est un plat de partage par excellence. There are also the famous lamb chops, les côtelettes d'agneau, which are exquisite, grilled on the barbecue. And for a dish that will transport you to Provence, I recommend the bar navarin d'agneau. A spring stew with lots of new baby vegetables like carrots, turnips, and peas. La viande est si tendre qu'elle fond dans la bouche. Finally, let's finish with the broadest category, poultry. In French, we say la volaille. This includes many things. The most common, of course, is chicken, le poulet. Who can resist a good Sunday roast chicken? C'est un classique indémodable. A very famous dish is le coq au vin, a rooster simmered in red wine. It's a rustic dish, rich and full of flavor. Then there's turkey, la dinde, which we traditionally eat for the holidays. But let's not forget the duck, le canard, the duck breast, le magret de canard, pan-seared on the skin side until it's crispy, is a specialty of the Southwest. And of course, the duck confit, le confit de canard, where the duck leg is slowly cooked in its own fat. C'est d'un fondant incomparable. There you have it, a brief overview of the main meats in French cuisine, le bœuf, le porc, l'agneau, and la volaille. I hope you enjoyed this little lesson and that it made you hungry. Next time you go to a restaurant or the butcher shop, you'll know exactly what to ask for. N'oubliez pas que la cuisine, c'est avant tout le plaisir de partager. Thank you very much for spending this time with me. If you liked this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more delicious discoveries. À très bientôt pour une nouvelle recette. Goodbye.